Unfathomable dimensions. Let's talk scale, but not the kind your brain is used to handling. IC 1101 stretches across a mind-melting 6 million light-years. To put that into perspective, our entire Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years wide. IC 1101 could swallow it whole, and still have room for dozens more galaxies like it. If you place this galactic beast where the Milky Way is now, its edges would stretch across a good portion of the observable sky. It's that big. This isn't just a large galaxy, it's larger than anything else we've found in the observable universe. You could fit Andromeda, the Triangulum galaxy, and every satellite galaxy we know of inside it, and still have space left over. It's like comparing a tiny town to a sprawling empire that just keeps expanding. And that's what IC 1101 does: expands, dominates, consumes. Its structure is smooth and elliptical with no spiral arms like our own. That might not sound impressive until you realize that most elliptical galaxies cap out at a few 100,000 light-years across. IC 1101 crushes that record without breaking a sweat. It sits at the center of the Abell 2029 cluster, pulling in matter, galaxies, and dark energy like a cosmic king ruling over a galactic empire. In the scale of space, it's not just large, it's legendary.